In this video, we will show you how to enable and use the Profanity filter and image moderator tool inside the Zakeke Visual Customizer. This tool allows you to prevent your customers to use offensive language and not allow images to customize your products. In order to enable the tool, let's go inside Tools and then select Profanity filter and image moderator. Here you can enable and create your tool rules and then see all the analytics. Please remember that this tool inside Zakeke has an extra price. When you go inside the tool rules, you can define those rules. The tool works with both text and or images. If the tool is activated, Zakeke makes a checks on the words and images that the customers add to the products. At the same time, on one of the following actions: when customers add the product to the cart, save or share the design, or generate a PDF. If a not allowed word or image was used, then the customers will receive a visual warning indicating the not allowed word image and won't be able to continue with any of the actions mentioned before. So the customers won't be able to buy, share, or save any product, including words and images that you do not allow to use to customize your items. First, let's give it a name to the tool rule. Then check if you want to enable the text filter. Check if text embedded into images as well need to be prohibited. Check if you want to select the image moderator. The Profanity filter works based on pre-populated lists of not allowed words. It's a system of detecting profanity and is designed to capture many variations of every kind of profanity you can imagine. The tool is not only capable of recognizing profanities as texts, but also recognizing profanity that are embedded, as we checked, within images. The image moderator works with different categories and is based on artificial intelligence, detecting images violating those rules in real time. Those rules belong to those categories: nudity, detecting full or partial nudity, detecting weapons, alcohol, medical drugs, like select hate and offensive at 90, celebrities, images with text, so memes, genders, minors, and faces. Also, presence of images associated with scams. Then you can select the language that you want to apply those rules. All languages are one of those. And then, if you want the rule to be associated with products, you can select the product or the print method. Now let's see how the rule has been applied to our products. Let's try to upload this flag and try to save the design. As you can see, the image is not applied, so it does not comply with the company's policies. Now let's try to add and upload an image with a slur inside and try to share the design in this case. And as you can see, the same alert has appeared, so we cannot use this image. Let's try now with text. At the same time, we try to add the card and the same message has appeared. We cannot have this text, images, or other slurs inside our products.